I have in front of me a 64mm Stage 2 DDP turbo that I'm about to install in my personal LMM. Hey, you guys know at HSB, one of our main objectives is increasing that efficiency in your truck, making sure that air moves freely all the way through the whole system. Obviously, your turbocharger is that key component in that system that you got to choose the right one for your application. I got the 64.5 Stage 2 DDP turbo, which is good for about 650 horsepower depending on the fuel system I put in, and it's a great option for towing and having fun on the weekends, do whatever I want. Actually, this weekend there's a dirt drag coming up locally. I'm going to try to slap it on and go see what it can do. We've been working with DDP for years. They offer a 64, a 66, a 68, and even up to like a custom 72mm compressor for these turbos. Anything that's 64 and 66 is a complete drop-in. You guys can take the turbo, no tuning, no nothing, just replace the factory one, slap it in, and you're gonna see those improvements and gains. Anything over that 68 and 72, you probably want to get into some tuning to kind of see the overall total effects and how much more efficient it can be, but they're an absolutely awesome option to just drop in, gain that extra power. Obviously you can powder coat the covers, dress up the turbos, and make them look good so it matches the other components underneath the hood. One of the reasons we choose DDP is not only are they an American company that we've worked with for years and a ton of good people over there, every single one of these components is sourced from brand new, never used components. There's no core charge. You just basically pull out your old charger, get the new one, drop it in. You don't have to worry about any of the ring around about shipping a charger back for a core or anything like that. It's really, really nice. These things have heavy duty updated 360-degree thrust bearings, so you know that you're gonna have the longevity out of them. I think a lot of guys worry about the longevity of the new turbo and get timid to actually do a turbo swap in their truck, worrying about, hey, if it's gonna last. One of the cool things about the DDP chargers that they offer is this oil feed upgrade kit. It actually pulls oil from the galley right above the oil cooler instead of in the valley. The oil coming off of that location is basically clean right after the cooler, where the factory location, all that oil goes entire through all of the oil galleys and then feeds the turbocharger. So it's just one of those little pieces of added protection to make sure like this thing's gonna go the distance and you're not gonna have to have any warranty issues or anything else. And one of the cool features of these things is they offer a DDP exclusive turbine. So you can go to a 10 blade or a 9 blade. The 10 blade is more for your factory guys. Guys are pulling trailers, maybe stock to moderate fuel systems. If you want a little bit of extra power, they do offer the 9 blade turbine. It just frees up that exhaust housing, lets it flow a little bit better, and will make more power. But I would say it's probably important to have additional fuel at that point just to get the most out of it. These things, they offer a limited lifetime warranty. I mean, they're there to back you up. If you have an issue, we've dealt with them for years. I've never once had them ever leave us stranded or leave us high and dry. We trust them, and that's why we carry their products. All right, that's it on the details for now. If you guys have any questions, hit the link below. It'll take you to the site. You can see all the specs yourself. Call us at the shop. We'd love to chat through it, make sure it's the right decision for your truck. I need to get on the install. I only got 3 days before dirt drag. I'm gonna have a lot to do.